Hello and welcome back. I hope you've been enjoying working on the paradiddle with the bass drum variations. I'm going to introduce some of my favourite paradiddle combinations and do exactly the same thing. It's all got slightly different feel as you change the paradiddle sticking up, but essentially the bass drum stays the same. The first paradiddle is commonly known as the inverted paradiddle, the diddle in the middle, right, left, right, right, left. I'll just play that on the snare drum. The inverted paradiddle. So same principle, we're going to play the rudiment between the hi-hat and the snare drum. It sounds slightly different to the original paradiddle. I'll just demonstrate it without the bass drum. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a. As opposed to the paradiddle sounding like this. It's got a slightly different texture and feel. So we're going to apply the same principle, the same bass drum patterns, and we're going to start again at 70 BPM. Okay, nice and slowly, the inverted paradiddle at 70 beats per minute with the 6 different bass drum variations. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a. That was the inverted paradiddle at 70 beats per minute. I've taken the tempo up slightly to 90 and I'm going to play the same sequence. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a. So that was the patterns at 90 beats per minute. As the paradiddle before, I've taken it up to 120. It's swinging now, it's grooving, which is really nice. Sometimes it's actually harder playing these things slower. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4. there you have it, the inverted paradiddle. Before I go, I just wanted to point out something that is quite cool to do, to start thinking about combining paradiddles. Now, we've spoke about the paradiddle and the inverted paradiddle. When you put them together, you get a really, really cool pattern, which the great David Garibaldi refers to as the King Kong beat. Paradiddle, right, left, right, right, and then an inverted paradiddle. It sits so nicely between the hi-hat and snare drum. And I went on to steal it for a song called Sunflower many, many years ago, but please don't tell him, okay? So you can play it between the hi-hat and snare drum and with the bass drum, or between the toms. It's kind of up to you. See you again.